Hello everyone, Toyosi Ogumwale is my name. Welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to sign up with AI marketing. But if you don't know what AI marketing is, kindly refer to my last video that shows exactly what it is and how it works. But for this video, we're just going to show you how to sign up. Okay, so let's go right into it. Now, when you already got a referral link from the person who told you about AI marketing, when you click on that link, this is the exact landing page that you would see. Okay, now if it's my link, which I'm going to leave down below, you're going to see my picture in there. Okay, but if not, don't be confused. Okay, you might not see that. Now, once you're on this page, look to your left and then you see where they're asking you to sign in. Go to the first icon there, leave the other three, just click on the first icon. When you click on it, what you're going to see next is this, asking you to log in. But of course, you're just trying to register. So you just come down here, click on register now, and then what you see next is this page showing you a form to fill. Now on this page, the first thing you see here is my own invite code. Okay, so if it's not my link you're using, you most likely are not going to see this invite code, and just so that you're not confused. Now just go ahead, fill the form, indicate that you are not a robot, okay, and then click on register. Now because the link I'm leaving down below has a $50 gift certificate, once you click on register here, what you see next is your dashboard. Congratulations, welcome to AI marketing, and you just signed up with a $50 gift card. How you know this is because when you look towards your left, you will see here in the ad balance showing you $50. Now this is going to move within the next 24 hours into your advertising budget, and then you begin to see some form of activity, profits and all going on for you. Okay, now once you're here, what you need to do next is just introduce yourself to the robot. The robot wants to be able to relate with you as a human being, so just put in your full name, click on introduce yourself, and what next to do is just to come down here and then click on top up. You already have a $50 working for you, but of course you need to top it up whenever you want to, of course, because at the end of the day we want to make more money, right? So once you click on top up, you see here what is asking you to do, different methods of topping up. But I'm not going to go into that in this video because that's not the purpose of this video. I'll make sure to do that in another video. But I hope that you loved this video. Please, if you did, like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.